In this exercise, we'll be dealing about qualitative thematic map. This is exercise number 7. We have the objective. Our objective is to show physiographic divisions of India using qualitative thematic map. We have various qualitative thematic map. For this particular exercise, we'll be using shading method. So this is our objective. Okay. So our objective was to show the physiographic divisions of India. To show this, okay, before that we know that in India India can be divided into 6 physiographic divisions. They are northern and northeastern Himalayas, number 2 northern plains, number 3 peninsular plateau, number 4 Indian desert, number 5 coastal plains, and number 6 islands. So we have to show these physiographic divisions in a thematic map using shading method. So to begin with, we have to use tracing paper. This tracing paper is available in the market. Per page is ₹5. You can get it in any bookstore. Okay. So for that tracing, we have to use school atlas or any geography book. We might get some map that is exactly fitting to our practical copy. So here we'll be using this atlas. Okay, I'm using page number 18. Okay, there is a map of India which is exactly in ratio with your practical copy. So what I'll do is I'll use this tracing paper and trace it out. Okay, I'll use pencil to trace it out. Okay, so after tracing you will get this. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is the tracing which I have completed. I got it. Don't forget to include the islands also. Okay, the islands, these are the islands. Okay, Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobars. Okay, so after tracing, what you have to do is take your tracing paper, okay, and go to the blank page of your practical copy and trace it. Okay, you have to trace it. After tracing, you'll get the outlines and you have to draw it. Okay, and you'll get this part. Okay, you'll get this part, and from here we can begin to draw the thematic map using shading method. After drawing the outline map of India, I have used this black pen V5 available in the market. It's a violet pen, V5 and V7. These two pens you can use to draw the outline. Okay, if you're comfortable with the pen, you can directly draw with a pen. Otherwise, you have to draw with pencil. Okay, so I have used pen, okay, to draw the outline of the Indian map. So firstly, our topic is thematic map. So I have written thematic map. Within bracket, I have written shading method. The method we are using, there are various thematic map making methods are there. So I'm using here shading method. We will be using shading method. So within bracket, I have written shading method. Now, this map will be representing the physiographic divisions of India. So I have written in below a small subheading, physiographic divisions of India. So for writing, okay, for neatly writing these headings, I have used this stencil. You have to use this. Okay, in geography you have to be very good in drawing, so you have to be neat and tidy. You have to use this stencil. And then I have made the index. I have prepared the index already. Since there are 6 divisions, so I have made 6 within the index. I have divided 6 groups. So for mountains, I have shaded, okay, this part. This will be representing the mountains, and this part will be representing the northern plains. Likewise, peninsular India, Indian desert, coastal plains, and the islands. Okay, this, don't forget the islands. Okay, now we'll try to draw the outline of this. Okay, this through the shading method, we'll try to draw the outline of these physiographic divisions. Okay, first we'll start with mountain, that is western and eastern Himalayas. Okay, that outline we'll draw. Okay, we know Himalaya runs from the Jammu and Kashmir, so we'll draw from here. Okay, it goes through Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand is here, so we'll draw the outline. Just a pre-hand sketch. Okay, and this is Sikkim. Okay, this part also is mountainous, and our foothills of Arunachal, we'll just draw it, and then we'll go to Nagaland, okay, and then Manipur, Mizoram, okay, we'll join here, okay, because this Tripura area is a plain area, and since Meghalaya is here, we'll also draw some outline, okay. That is totally a part of your peninsular India. So this is ready for your northern mountains, okay. Now next part is northern plains. Since we have already have Indian desert, we will not include the Thar desert, that is your Rajasthan state, will not include it. We'll start from Punjab, okay. The plains of India starts from Punjab, Haryana, okay. By free hand, we'll just draw the outline. It will extend up to West Bengal, okay. This is your northern plains outline. Next is we have peninsular plateau, okay. Since we have coastal plains, we'll make sure that this peninsular plateau doesn't touch the coastal plains. So we can start from here, okay. Just draw a rough outline, and then this is your eastern coastal part. That's why we are, okay, making an outline. That will be the boundary, and this will be your western coast. In between we'll have the peninsular plateau, okay. It will go from south to the north, okay. We'll go up to Rajasthan, okay. And then we have Indian desert. Indian desert is in the Rajasthan state, so we'll just connect it, okay, from here, from the borders of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh till Gujarat, okay. This part will be your Indian desert. And the islands, I have not given any symbols because the islands are very small. You kept it blank, okay. This is how your thematic map will look like after completion, okay. This shading part, okay, the dark shading part will represent the Himalayas, that is your western and eastern Himalayas, okay. This part will represent the northern plains. This part will represent the peninsular plateau. This part will represent the Indian Thar desert or the Indian desert, and these areas will represent the coastal plains. Another important thing that you have to keep in mind is that when you draw the map on the blank side of the practical copy, do not draw anything or write anything here, this side, okay. If you write here, okay, your drawing will be disrupted, okay. It won't be neat and tidy, so avoid writing anything here, okay. Keep this blank, okay. You draw in this part, okay. This is how your thematic map using shading method will look like.